My name is Kristen. I'm the recruitment coordinator here at JR, and I have been with the company since May of 2020. I started in May of 2020, prime COVID, so we really didn't have a lot of machines running at that time just because automotive was a little crazy, but I did start in the sales department. I was in sales for about 2 years, and then I transferred into my role now. So I am in charge of all of our interviewing, onboarding, orientation, job fairs, community events. Pretty much all of that falls into the wheelhouse of my position. Definitely people facing, so I'm dealing with the public pretty much every day. I would say that we are people first. We genuinely care about every member of our team, so we do take pride in that, and we want everyone to know that we understand they have a life outside of work, so it's just being able to find that work-life balance has been really important for us as a culture as a whole. We experienced a fire in April of this year, so things have been a little crazy since then. Ultimately, I think the biggest thing that we have seen is our team really coming together. That has been really great to see, whether that be a production team member or upper management team member. Everyone has the same goal in mind, so they are very willing to work together, so that has been really great to see. Fighting through a fire or a tragedy like that, that has been the ultimate testament to show that our culture really is what we say it is, being people first. If you're looking for a great place to work, please check out jrmanufacturing.net.